In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Solana to BNB on Axiom. So Solana recently introduced BNB. So now you can deposit into Solana BNB, and you can also convert Solana to BNB. So to do that, what you need to do is go ahead and click on your wallet. And once you've done that and you've clicked on your wallet, you're going to see the total value and your wallet balance. So I have 0.193 Solana. If you click on this arrow here, this arrow icon, it's going to open up the exchange, and from here you can swap your Solana balance. So right now we have 0.193 Solana into BNB. So I can convert as much as I want. I can type the number out here of Solana, or if I click on the max balance button in the top right, it will automatically add it. So I'm going to get you a quote. And then once you've got that quote, you'll see how much you'll gain in BNB. If you're happy with that and you want to convert, click on confirm. Then what will happen in a second, it will update your wallet. And there you go, the BNB has been sent to your wallet. So now if you go to Solana in the top right hand corner and you change it to BNB, in a second here, it will update. So let me refresh. And there we go, we've now converted it to BNB. And that's how you do it.